Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Anthony. As you can see, it's a workout video slash me chucking a dump. We're cooking. We're using a rice cooker to create a recipe for meal prep, and yeah, we're gonna work out at the same time. We're just hanging out right now, aren't we? Check it out. Watch the video. Stop making noise on the table. Alright, so everything's gonna be on the screen. The reason why I'm doing rice and lentils, because obviously carbs for rice, you've got lentils for protein, and you know, in between sets, every time you see food or my, you know, the rice or the rice cooker or whatever, that is me taking a rest, jumping back in the house, and we're just doing the next step, completing it. Make sure you wash your rice, get that starch out. I do about 2 washes, back out here, onto the next. This is still the warm-up. Cool, so analyzing my form, it's okay, you know. There's no pain, so I think that's like the main thing. Obviously measure out your water, maybe add a bit more if you gauge it and you think it's not enough. Like I said, all the details, how much water, how much rice to include, make sure, you know, you just look at the screen. It's gonna be all in there. Chuck in that kale, chuck in whatever you want. Of course, the protein, can't forget that. That's gonna keep you full. And of course, a lot of people will think you need a ton of protein. There's only gonna be about 20 grams of protein from just that one block of tofu. And this is what I've been eating for the past 4+ months. Purely vegan food. Of course, when I was transitioning during the 4 months, it was a bit harder, so I had a bit of meat, but you know, most of my meals are vegan. Making sure that your pot is on, press start. Otherwise, you're gonna come back from your workout, you're gonna be hungry AF. You're probably gonna go off with your girlfriend because you are simply hungry, and of course, gotta take off the shirt. You know, you're at home, screw the gym. You know, too many rules at the gym. Too many guys who just think they're the shiz. And that's one of the main reasons why I went back at home. Worked out. Worked out for me. And yes, I did work out. Nutritional yeast, this is the shiz. This is like vegan cheese, but it's nutritional. There's B12, vitamin B12, there's a lot of protein. Delicious. You can make creamy pasta with that. And this vegan mayo and vegan chipotle sauce, this is very delicious. It's not the cheapest thing in the world. You add more protein, of course. Chuck in the almonds. Kale. I know a lot of people don't like kale. I never used to like kale. But if you cook it, or if you put a bit of, you know, if you cook it, you put a bit of salt in there, it just gets rid of it. Gets rid of the taste. And obviously this is a different day, but this is me showing you the drop sets. So on the day of the shoulder press, I didn't actually do any drop sets. That's because I had to rescue my partner from work. She had a lot of things to bring back. I thought she was in trouble. She was like, please pick me up. But no, she just had, you know, there she is. She just had a lot of things to bring back. And yeah, this is my inspiration. I am inspired to create future videos, you know, with incorporating tastes like this from different cuisines, and, you know, doing a one pot rice cooker recipe while I work out, like, how amazing would that be? How amazing would that be? Seriously. I mean, you know, imagine just putting it on while you work out, and then, you know, finishing your workout maybe 20 minutes later and it's done. You can shower, you can work out, and it's time saving. Time is money. I'm gonna give you my quick thoughts on the entire process. I think a lot of people would actually benefit from this, especially because, you know, a lot of people at my work, I work in a hospital, a lot of people at my work, they don't bring food. I mean, if they do bring food, it's like chips, or it's like crackers and cheese, a juice box, some yogurt. I mean, it's not the best thing. So some people should watch my videos, because yeah, it's life-changing, seriously. I mean, whatever I put in that pot, it's like brown rice, it's, you know, slow burning energy. It's gonna fuel you throughout the day. It's gonna fuel you for your workouts. You've got protein from the tofu. It's easy to process through your body. It's not gonna make you feel heavy. It actually keeps me full for long. Like, you know, during work, a lot of people slump down and they're like, I'm tired, I need a coffee, but I'm here just pushing through and I'm not complaining. Yeah, I mean, there's also kale. Kale is a superfood, apparently. I think, from what I've heard, but kale is just amazing. I mean, it tastes good, it's easy to cook, it's cheap. We bought a whole bunch for like $2, and the bunch is like, you know, this big, this thick. Anyways, my name's Anthony. Thank you for watching this episode of, you know, one pot recipe, rice cooker. Yeah, anyways, I hope you got something out of this. I hope you got an idea to, you know, cook your meals in one pot with a rice cooker while you work out at home, because that is super effective. That's going to, you know, keep you healthy. It's going to save you money. It's going to get you gains if you actually work out. Anyways, I'm also a lazy guy. I hope you can see that. Hence why I'm making that this recipe, making it easy to stay healthy and stay on top of your goals, and also save time after work, because you know, we're all lazy people, we're human. After a day's work, we're just tired. We want to spend time with a partner. We want to maybe do some hip hop dancing. That's what I want to do. Anyways, also you can follow me on Instagram. I'm posting on there. I'm posting daily. Also subscribe if you want to see more. Make sure you hit that bell icon to notify you about my next video. Of course, you can expect some amazing recipes coming up. There's going to be improvements, because every single day we're just going to be working on things and improving what we do. This is your chance to grow with me. Also, if you know any dope flavors, any amazing cuisines that you want me to try out, you want me to test out for you in the rice cooker, make sure you comment them down below. Let me know. Speak to me. See you next week. Bye.